All life on the planet started as single-celled life. And they did lots of things. They grew bristles, which were sensitive. They managed to move through the environment. They did all kinds of interesting things as single cells, as cyanotic bacteria, E. coli, the whole thing from prokaryotic to eukaryotic cells. But then the eukaryotic cells started getting together and making organisms. Now, when you make a whole bunch of cells together in an organism, each cell has to still live, has to get food delivered and have its garbage taken away, etc. So you develop systems. And when you have 70 trillion cells, that's about the best estimate that we have right now. If you included the cell inside between your mouth and your anus, it would probably be more like 100 trillion. But in any case, this is just a guesstimate because we don't really know how many cells there are. But how are you going to keep them in the proper relationship? You can't wake up tomorrow and have your heart down in your left hip, right? It has to stay in place. So how did we get all these cells to stay in place? Well, when you think about the problem a little bit, you're either going to have to glue them together or you're going to have to weave them together. And the answer for evolution or Darwin or your mom or God or whoever you think does these things, the answer was both. Your cells, which are very delicate little fatty droplets of proteinous activity wandering around in your body, have to be both woven and glued into the system to either stay where they are or be allowed to move in the way that is appropriate to them. So the extracellular matrix